In the night I see a face that's in the dark. Through his eyes I see a light, shining gold. And this man, he walks along, singing songs of victory. When he sleeps, there's a struggle and the light begins to fade. Heaven tells the past, all he had, love and fear. He was stronger then, all he had was love and hand. Then one day the thunder struck, evil tears run down his face. And I changed good to bad, good to bad. Where to run? Are you there? Are you there? In the winter sun, he's dancing in the wind. Where to run? Are you there? Are you there? In the wilderness, looking you will find him. A mother weeps, a child sleeps, their broken heart. A bleeding wild, just passing time, their horror shows. They're at his grave at Valley Creek, the place where he began to see the evil tide that would dissolve him of a good that stood within. Heaven tells the past, all he had, love and fear. He was strong.